Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Solutions Pro. Since we have highest views on horror movies video, so again in hope of getting views, I am back with a video which will explain you about exorcism, its history to the extent which I have reached and researched. Now exorcism is a practice which is binded with religious and cultural history. It is a process of ritualistic expulsion of supposed devil power from individuals, objects or places believed to be possessed or haunted. It has a very big and connected history across different civilization and religious tradition. Ancient Mesopotamian, Egyptian, Greeks and Roman all had rituals and incantation aimed at removing evil spirit who tend to cause illness or misfortune. Earlier it was often practiced with prayer, sacrifice or use of specific herbs and potions. In Judeo-Christian tradition, it is exclusively featured in Bible, where Jesus is shown casting out demon from possessed. The New Testament in Gospel records several cases where Jesus performed exorcism, establishing a foundational belief in Christianity regarding spiritual warfare against evil forces. In medieval Europe, exorcism was taken out by priests as a part of their duty. The Roman Catholic Church formalized exorcism ritual, creating specific prayer and protocol to guide priests in this spiritual battle. During Inquisition, exorcism were used to root out supposed witches and heretics, often accompanied by severe methods of torture. Now let's talk about its evidence and belief in some detail. Proofs for exorcism lies in subjective experience and beliefs of people who have faced it. Those who seek exorcism often state symptoms such as speaking in tongue, violent reaction to sacred things or holy objects, supernatural strength, and aversion to religious symbols. Believers of exorcism argue that certain cases defy medical explanation, pointing to times when individuals exhibit knowledge or event beyond their personal experience, or where physical ailments are inexplainable cured after exorcism. But if seen from a scientific approach, these position statements are linked to psychological connections such as cyprosyngia, dissociative identity disorder, or other mental illness. Psychiatrists and psychologists explain this as psychological and social dynamics rather than a supernatural reality. After these two aspects, let's dive into its practices along different culture and traditions. The first one is the preparation. Before exorcism, priests often engage in fasting, prayer, spiritual preparation to make strong connection with the divine power. Second is the invocation. It involves name of higher power to God, deity, and command demon to depart from the possessed object. The third one is the holy objects and ritual. Sacred objects such as crucifixer, holy water, and religious text are used to symbolize the power of divine over devil. Number fourth is the confrontation. Exorcists involve in verbal convocation with the possessing entity, demanding to know its name, state, and its rival, its purpose, and departure. Number fifth in the list is the expulsion. Climax of ritual involve forceful expulsion of demon or spirit, often carried by physical manifestations such as conclusion, cries, or contortion from possessed. Number six is the follow up, and this is the last point. After exorcism, individual may undergo spiritual counseling, continued prayer, and monitoring to ensure the possession doesn't return. But what about the impact of exorcism over culture? Now let's dive into it. It is glorified in modern culture through films, literature, and media depiction, often exaggerating the dramatic aspect. Movies like The Exorcist or the Conjuring series have ingrained images of controlled bodies, guttered voice, and supernatural phenomena binded with possession into popular consciousness. Horror surrounding exorcism lies in portrayal of battle between good and evil, where boundaries between natural and supernatural get blurred. The helplessness, erratic behavior, intense ritual for expelling unseen forces taps into primal fear of unknown and spiritual vulnerability. And to be honest, its concept intersects with broader anxieties on mental illness, religious fanaticism, and existence of evil in rational world. It raises the question about limits of medical science, power of faith, and ethical implication of spiritual belief as medical conditions. At the end of this video, it is clear that exorcism is a controversial practice deeply founded with the religious tradition and cultural belief about supernatural. At one side, skeptics dismiss it as superstition or psychological manipulation. Believers view it as powerful spiritual tool against force of darkness. The whole topic reflects humanity's enduring fascination with occult spirituality and eternal struggle between good and evil, a narrative of fear, belief, and disbelief at the same time. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and next time videos will cover movies based on exorcism and its proof. Until then, take good care of yourself, share our feedback or other topics you want. Till then, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Solutions Bro.